recommend the Hollywood Initiative. It's a fantastic program. Even kind of inkling of moving to Los Angeles, I highly recommend it because you would just get some valuable information. So, yep, absolutely do it.
It was one of the best weeks of my life. If you're an actor who has ever been curious about going to Hollywood and working in LA, but you're not quite sure how to go about it, this is the program for you. Headshots by one of the most amazing headshot photographers. I challenge him to take a bad photo of anybody. You will walk away with a professional, incredible demo scene with an American accent that you can just send off to agents when you're done. She told us all the different types of visas that we can work on, and I'm going to remain in communication with her to figure out the specifics of my situation.
But it covered everything. There wasn't one thing that wasn't covered. And I love the way we were pushed, and I love the way we were able to triumph at the end. It was amazing that everybody triumphed at the end, and it was absolutely incredible.
That just the time and the effort that they put into all of us, you can really see they want us to succeed. They're not just doing this just for the sake of doing it. They've really put in their time, effort and resources all for us to succeed, and I think honestly they're just amazing. When I try to say this without crying, just amazing.
And then meeting casting directors who've cast some of my favorite films like Pulp Fiction, so Gary Zuckerbrod, that was just incredible. Meeting the bigwigs in LA. The kind of knowledge that you're going to get from this program is invaluable, and you will walk away with this then more experience, education, and insider knowledge than you could possibly dream of. So I just did a quick short course with Second City through the Hollywood Initiative, and it was fantastic. We trained with Mark, and he went through a few different levels of improv that you might do at the school, so level 1, 2 and 3 in short snippets, and it was a lot of fun. So many amazing people have come to this school, and it's been incredible coming all the way from Australia to LA to have a little snippet of Second City, so I definitely recommend that.
It was so fun to be able to have a taste of all the different levels that we probably wouldn't be able to unless we were studying at the school and then had to audition and all sorts of stuff. So thanks, Mark.
The Hollywood Initiative gives you all the tools you need to understand it as a business and what you have to do as an international actor to make it into Hollywood and to make this dream come true.
The education that we did was just wonderful. I've studied acting for a couple of years now, and some of the techniques that I learnt I've never even heard before. I was able to memorize a 5-page script within an hour. That is what you need to know when you're going to be auditioning in LA.
The things that meant the most to me was the people from the initiative. They cared about each one of us. They invested time in each one of us. They knew exactly what we needed as an actor and as a person. They really care, and that's not easy to find.
I strongly recommend the Hollywood Initiative workshop. It's the real deal. 5 days of intensive, workshops, classes, and everything else from impro to the trigger approach to filming your own mini scene, and then ending up in a showcase. If you want to go to America, fulfill your dream, I highly recommend you do this course. Just do it, because if you believe, you can achieve.